How would you like to upgrade your skills in SOLIDWORKS on your own time and at your own speed? camInstructor's online classroom allows you to do just that, with content that is used in colleges and universities across North America. It's developed by skilled teachers, so it's easier and more complete than other methods. camInstructor delivers 5 fundamental elements based on learning requirements you need. A project-based course that is equally hands-on learning and concept learning. Ask the instructor access to help you 24/7. You'll communicate with real, qualified teachers anytime you need to. 1 full year of unlimited lesson review, redos, and reference exploring to jog your memory as your work evolves. Printable lessons, yours to keep as a resource down the road. Certification upon completion that is credible in our industry. Our subscription teaches all of this. The video lessons really work. Developed by people at the center of the industry, camInstructor is growing exponentially. So click below to see a sample lesson. Start investing in yourself today.